Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to put your newborn in a ring sling. So let's get started. You're going to start with a threaded sling. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll put a link to a tutorial below, but make sure the rings are at your shoulder. They're going to be kind of sitting on top of your shoulder. And then once you're ready to put your newborn in, you just carefully slide them into the little pocket right there. And just keep your hand on baby's butt as you're sliding them in, just to kind of support them because it's not tightened yet. And also support their neck by just kind of leaning backwards as you do that, and also using your other hand. So right now I'm just kind of adjusting the bottom and I'm creating a really deep seat. So I'm making sure the fabric covers knee to knee, and I'm pulling the fabric underneath baby all the way up to their belly button. So make sure you check baby's knees and make sure they have full motion. You don't want the fabric going over their whole leg or anything like that. It's really important to just make sure they have full motion of their legs. So now it's time to tighten. So to tighten the top part of the sling, you're gonna pull on the bottom part of the tail, and you're gonna pull up and then kind of like in a downward motion. So up and then a downward motion. And then to tighten the bottom part of the sling underneath baby's butt, you're gonna pull on the top part of the tail, and same again, you're just gonna pull up and like downward or out to tighten the sling, and you should be finished. Just make sure baby's snug, and I'm gonna show you how to do a fit check in just a second. So there's a little checklist at the end of this video, and you can just kind of make sure that you have all of those things checked off, and then you're safely wearing your newborn in a sling. I also included this little last little part to show you how to provide extra neck support for your newborn. If you're kind of worried about that, you just kind of twist the tail around and put it around baby's neck and tuck it in. So super easy, and you can lean back and baby's neck is supported. And then here are those 5 things I was talking about. So make sure the fabric covers knee to knee, your baby's butt is lower than their knees, their neck is supported, their spine is straight, and make sure they're close enough to kiss baby's head. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.